Hello, hello, it is Jackie from Pocket of Preschool, and I have been saving up 5, the last 5 kindergarten crate subscription boxes because I wanted to open them with you guys, and life's been busy, and this will give you guys a really good taste of what is in all the boxes and the variety. So we're gonna open up the last 5. So January, December, November, October, September, so the last 6. So what is Kindergarten Crate? It is a monthly subscription box for teachers. So I get the pre-K box, but there's also a kindergarten box and a first grade box. So they differentiate it a little bit based on the grade level box you get. And also this is a shirt. This is like one of my favorite shirts I've gotten from one of the boxes because you always get a book. There's a theme for each box. You get a book, something for the teacher, and sometimes it's a shirt. You also get some manipulatives, and then you get some printables, and then other goodies to kind of go along with the theme. So this is the January box, and the theme for the January box was build a snowman. And there's always a sneak peek of the one next, and the next box is something to do with Valentine's because I see little hearts. So that's really fun, and like I said, there's always a book. This one is just a snowman, really fun. I love this author. It's a great book. Move this over a little bit, hold on. So, like I said, you get a book, and then manipulatives. These are some snowflake mini erasers. We have some plates. We have Insist Snow, which all students love. The something for the teacher in this box is peppermint granola bar, like delicious. I mean, I love chocolate. And then there is this deluxe counting caddy. So a pocket chart to count 1s, 10s, and 100s. And then, like I said, there are printables. And it also explains each printable that's in here. So these are perfect to put in like sub-plans, but here are all of them that go with this theme. A lot of them use the manipulatives that you have with them. So like there's snowflakes, so there's some counting games that you can do with these. So yeah, it's really, really fun. This is the January box. Okay. And then this one was the December box. So the theme was gingerbread man. And like I said, sometimes you get a shirt. They fit true to size, so I get mediums, so I always get mediums. Here is the shirt. Like, how cute is that? And they're always super, super soft. So fun. So they got your little shirt. That's the item for the teacher. We have little gingerbread mini erasers. And I mean, you guys, we love mini erasers, especially since Target doesn't seem to be having them lately. We have some Play-Doh or dough. You can use any kind of dough with these, or even these cookie cutters are great too for like kinetic sand. We have some cookie cutters. There's even like a little knife in there. And then we have some Play-Doh. We have a foam dice. The book this month is Gingerbread Boy, and gorgeous. Love this book. And then there are all of the printables to go with all the counters and things like that. So there's like a dough page. And again, all of the printables have kind of an explanation. Again, these are great to use with, like, if you have a parent volunteer, sub plans, super easy to put in there, and it goes along with that month's theme, or you can do them too. So that was December. So this one was, I think this was November. Yeah. So this one is Thankful for Family and Friends. And you have all the printables again with like the lesson plans, and then all the printables to go with it. And some of these printables, if it's like a counting game, I'll print it on colored paper and laminate it so I can use it over and over again. This one has some pumpkin stickers, some pumpkin, I think these are like bulletin board borders, but I actually love taking the bulletin board like decorations, laminating them, and then you can like write numbers on them. Like you could make, these have how many, 30. So you could make a set of letter cards with these. or like number cards, sorry, letter cards, number cards, name cards, and then they can build things on them. The letters, numbers, counting activity, or they can just roll the dice and put that many erasers on them or seeds. And then this book for this month is Spookly, A Family to Be Thankful For. And they do always have really good books. Like this is Spookly I don't have, which is great. It's kind of annoying to get things that you already have over and over, but they do a really good job of getting books that I usually don't have, and I have an enormous collection of books. And look at these mini erasers. So I actually emailed them last year, and I was like, you have to get these for a kindergarten crate 1 month. And look, they are little, they're actually foam beads, but they're great for counters. There's little scarecrows and corn, great for fall, or, and there's leaves in here too, or Thanksgiving. And then a gigantic bag of colored popsicle sticks. And then the thing for the teacher is this yummy pumpkin spice caramel popcorn. And you guys, I've been keeping these, which means I get to now eat all of the treats in them. Okay. So another box, and I've lost track. This must have been October of last year. So this theme is animals, night and day. And again, it tells you all the things you get. We have all the printables. There's a directed drawing in here for this month. Lots and lots of fun printables. And again, if you don't know what the printable is, it tells you an explanation of how to do the activity in there. This book is Forest Bright, and then Forest Night. So you flip it this way. Like, how cool is this book? You flip it this way and you read it about the daytime. And then you flip it over this way. Or I may have it backwards. And then you read about the nighttime. So how cool is that? So, and the illustrations in this book, like, so pretty. Love this. So we got forest, night and day. We have these magnetic puzzles. I love using magnetic puzzles on cookie sheets. But how, oh, here's the two puzzles. So we have like a little forest day and then a forest night puzzle. We have these finger lights. These are great for kindergarten teachers for like tracking like the words when they read. But for pre-K, I like to use them. They can put them on their finger and then they can trace the letters or trace the numbers, or they can even make shapes. So 6 little finger lights, which are great again for small group. And then we have mini erasers. We have a whole bunch of stars because it's nighttime. And then these are little star. You can use them as fidgets. You can use them to like toss at circle, like for gross motor games, but they're actually supposed to be mini erasers. It says on the list that they are like little erasers for the dry erase board, but I wouldn't use them for that. I would use them for gross motor activities and fidgets. So really fun. Oh, and then how did I forget? A little teacher tired mask for you to get a little shut eye. And then this one has little some little confetti in it, like paper shreds in it, which is really fun to use for some sensory bins. Not what it's intended for. I'm sure it's intended to make the box look pretty, but I would totally keep that and use that for art or something like that. And then another box. This must be September. And this one is Building Friendships. And this book is What Are Friends For? And this is actually a hardback book, which is amazing to get. And look, gorgeous, simple illustrations. So pretty. We have these Forest Friends touch and find shape game. So it's wooden shapes and they're all the different forest friends. Love that. We have some woodland little puzzles. We have clips, which I'm sure that's for a game that they have in the activity pack. We have some stickers. We have leaves, which I literally did a whole Facebook Live on how to use leaves in your classroom. So I can never have enough of these. And then a little treat for the teacher. And again, you have your printables with all of the printables that are included and kind of a description on how to use them in the classroom. And again, like a lot of these, like clip cards, I would print them on colored paper and then I would laminate them. So yeah, so really, really fun. So I hope you enjoyed me in unboxing, how many? Five, the last 5 kindergarten crates. So if you want to sign up, the link is at the top. Make sure you use my link because you get $5 off your first box. And the next box is Valentine's. But if you miss the sign up, I think you'll just get the March box. But it's really, really fun. It's kind of like Christmas it coming in the mail. And it's always got really good stuff in it. A book, something for the teacher. Manipulatives are always my favorite. So yeah, so if you have any questions, let me know. And if not, you guys have the best day or the best night. Talk to you soon. Bye.